Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to talk about the new version of Edge that was released late yesterday, May 31st, 2022, and it has no really front-facing features, but there are several security updates. So if you go to your Edge browser, go on the upper right in the three dots, go into Help and Feedback, and then About Microsoft Edge. You will be updated to 102.0.1245.30, and this is the new version 102 of Microsoft Edge. It contains pretty much the same security updates. There were like 32 security updates for Google Chrome. Well, they're pretty much the same ones, including some critical and high severity ones. So it's important to get at least this even if you don't use it, or even if you don't really care about having new versions, at least the security updates are there for that. So we've moved on. Like I said, no front-facing features. Pretty much all of the improvements are developer improvements under the hood. But for the rest, it's, like I said, a lot of security updates. And, even if you don't use Edge, what happens with Edge is it can happen sometimes that you click a link, that you click something, and instead of your default browser, it's actually going to open Edge. So just for that reason, I think it's safe to check out. And if you don't use Edge, often it doesn't update really much of itself. So by doing it manually, you know that you can stay safe and check out these latest updates. So Microsoft Edge 102, and we're going to talk about Microsoft Edge again in the next video as we have new numbers for the market share and all of that. So at least for the security updates, just to make sure that you update pretty much the same security updates as Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.